In this video, I will show you how you can add dual clock widget on the lock screen of your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the notifications panel. And after you open the notifications panel, now just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen. From here, just select customize. And after you enter into this section, just tap on add widget. Now from here, just scroll down and select clock. And from here, just swipe to the left side and select City Digital. As you can see, after you find the City Digital clock, now just tap on it. And after you add it to this section, now just tap on it one more time to change the region of the clock. As you can see, it is currently on US, but you can tap on the region and you can select any other region. For an example, I will select Australia. Now, after you do that, now just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. After that, just select City Digital one more time and add that second clock. Now just tap on the second clock and change the region of the second clock. For an example, I will select this region. Now after you do that, now just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Then just tap on done. Just tap on the lock screen wallpaper. As you can see, we have successfully added dual clock on the lock screen of our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.